How much does Shopify point of sale cost? Shopify is a platform that helps businesses set up and manage their online stores. It offers a variety of features, including a shopping cart, inventory management, product listing, and more. One of the most popular features of Shopify is its point of sale system. POS systems are used by businesses to track sales and inventory in real time. They can also be used to process payments and issue refunds. Shopify's point of sale system is one of the most popular on the market. It's easy to use and it integrates seamlessly with the rest of the Shopify platform. But how much does it cost? Click the link in the description below to get a quick quote on current pricing. The price of Shopify POS depends on the plan you choose. There are two main plans, Basic and Pro. Shopify Point of Sale Basic is actually included in all Shopify e-commerce plans and includes some rudimentary transaction processing and inventory functionality. Shopify Point of Sale Pro is a great choice and includes all Shopify POS Lite features, but also has unlimited store staff, smart inventory management, omni-channel selling features, unlimited registers, staff role permissions, and in-store analytics. In addition to the monthly fees, you'll also need to purchase Shopify Point of Sale hardware, which can include a card reader, stand, receipt printer, and cash drawer. Shopify's POS system is a great way to manage your store's sales and inventory in real time. It's easy to use and it integrates seamlessly with the rest of the Shopify platform. The price of Shopify Point of Sale depends on the plan you choose. Click the link below to speak with an expert about which package will fit you best.